welcome back, food lovers. For today's unbelievable recipe, we'll need 3 chicken breasts. It's a simple ingredient, but you'll see how much you can do with it. By the way, my name is Mary, and I'm really glad you're here with me. I love sharing recipes that are easy, but still feel a bit special, and I promise you today's dish is going to turn out amazing. So make sure to watch till the end. I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments below. Bring the chicken into a bowl. We're just getting it ready here, keeping it simple for now, and building from there. Add a little salt just to your taste. And a little black pepper. Then add some chicken seasoning, some paprika. Go ahead and mix everything together. You want all those spices to really coat the chicken well. This is the part where it already starts to smell amazing, even before it hits the pan. It's simple, but you can already tell it's going to turn out really good. All right, let's move to the pan. Add a bit of butter. Let it melt. Now place the chicken in. You should hear that nice sizzle right away. That's exactly what we want here. Let it cook until you get that nice golden color. Just stir it now and then so everything cooks evenly. Take about 1 1/4 cups of rice, cover it with water, add salt and a tablespoon of butter, and cook on low heat until all the water is absorbed. Now we'll need 1 onion. Just slice it up like this. Dear food lovers, I'd really love to have each of you as part of this journey. So if you enjoy simple recipes like this, you can subscribe and stay with me here. It really means a lot. All right, let's move on. Add a bit of butter to the pan and let it melt. Let's add the sliced onion to the pan and gently mix everything together. Next, 1 carrot. Just slice it like this. I feel like carrot is one of those ingredients that's always somewhere in the kitchen, even when you're not planning anything specific. It's simple, nothing fancy, but somehow it always finds its way into a dish. Maybe because it just works with so many things and you don't really have to think too much about it. Let's add in the chopped carrot and let it cook for a bit until it softens. Next, 1 red pepper. Just remove the seeds and cut it into pieces. I like using red pepper here because it adds a bit of brightness to the dish, both in flavor and in color. It makes everything look more appetizing and gives a nice contrast to the other ingredients. Sometimes small details like this really change how the dish feels in the end. Add the pepper to the pan and let it cook for a few minutes until it softens nicely. Add a little salt just to your taste. Then some black pepper. I like a bit of a kick here. It balances the richness really nicely. Now mix everything well. Next, add about 3 tablespoons, around 1 1/2 ounces of canned corn, and give everything a good mix. The rice is ready. Take it off the stove and add it to the pan. Now mix everything well. Once everything is well mixed, take it off the stove. Second onion now, I'm using 3 for this recipe. It's a simple step, but I actually enjoy this part. Cooking like this gives you a bit of time to slow down and just focus on what you're doing. No rush, just taking it step by step. And in the end, you get something you've made yourself, which always feels really satisfying. By the way, do you enjoy cooking? Or is it more of a daily routine for you? All right, let's move to the pan. Add a bit of butter. Let it melt. Add the onion. Give it a quick mix and let it cook. Now let's cut the third onion. By the way, did you know that onions actually contain natural sugars? That's why when you cook them slowly, they start to taste slightly sweet. It's a small detail, but it really changes the flavor of a dish. Add the onion, give it a quick mix, and let it cook. Once the onions are softened, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and give it a good mix. Add a little salt just to your taste. Don't forget about black pepper. Now mix everything well. Time to add about 150 milliliters, around 5 ounces of water, and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now take a bunch of your favorite greens and chop them up. This is one of those parts where you can really make it your own. You can go with parsley or mix in something else you like. Fresh greens just lift the whole dish and add a bit of color at the end. It's a small touch, but it changes how everything feels on the plate. The onion mixture is ready. Go ahead and add it to the main pan. This is where it all comes together. We're really close to the final steps now. As a final step, add about 180 milliliters, around 6 ounces of heavy cream. Now mix everything well. Let everything cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Dear food lovers, your feedback means a lot to me, so let me know in the comments how you like it. And that's it. Our dish is ready. Serve it up and enjoy.